Easy 8 machine, we find it more effective just going forwards a lot of the time, but definitely up to yourself. So you can just go up to the wall. Once you start, you obviously drop the clutch down, run with the boards. Then when you get down towards the end of your walls or the edge of the decking, lever up, and then you can actually turn around and then go back the other direction. So now looking at the handheld machine, also a 46 grit brush, and it's good for getting around the edges where the big machine won't get. So you can go cross grain if you need to, and you can finish long grain.